Welcome to Guide Hub. Today I am going to guide you on how to fix Kotak Securities account login not working. The first step is to make sure you have entered your credential correctly, that is your nickname and your password. After that, if you are still having problem logging in, then maybe you have forgotten your password. Make sure to check your password, and in case if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option Forgot Password and they will be guiding you further to recover your password. If your credential, that is your nickname and password, is correct, and if you are still having problem to log into your account, then maybe you need to clear your browse cache. For that, all you need to do is tap on the three dot icon at the bottom right corner. Here below the option Add to Reading List, you can see the option Delete Browsing Data. You have to tap over there. In case if you don't see that option, you can tap on the option History, which is at the top. Now to delete this, you can simply tap on Delete Browsing Data at the bottom left corner. Here you can see browsing history, cookies, site data, cached image and files, and many more. Now all you have to do is tap on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure to tap on the option once again. After you are done deleting the data, you can once again come back to the home page of Kotak Securities, fill down your credential and try logging into your account. And even after that, if you are having problem to log into your account, in this case, if you have application of Kotak Securities, make sure it's updated up to date. But if you are using Google Chrome or any web browser to log into your Kotak Securities account, then make sure that your web browser is updated. Here I am using Google Chrome, so we need to see if our Google Chrome is updated or not. For that, you have to go to your App Store. You can now see that an update is needed for Google Chrome. So you have to simply tap on the update option. After it's updated, you can simply go back to the web browser, that is Google Chrome. Once again enter your credential and try logging in. These are some of the fixes that you would try to fix Kotak Securities account login not working. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.